Food is an essential part of our lives. We need it to survive, but it's also something we enjoy and often take for granted. But did you know that there are some fascinating facts about the food we eat? So in this video, we'll explore some of the most interesting facts about foods that will make you look at your plate in a whole new way. From the surprising truth about avocados to the endless shelf life of honey, we'll uncover the secrets behind the foods we love. Did you know that carrots were originally purple and that strawberries aren't actually berries? We've gathered amazing facts that will leave you hungry for more, so grab a snack, sit back, and get ready to be amazed by these interesting facts about foods. It may come as a surprise, but strawberries are not actually berries. Instead, they belong to the rose family, which also includes apples, peaches, and raspberries. The scientific definition of a berry is a fruit that develops from a single flower and contains seeds inside the fleshy part of the fruit. However, in the case of strawberries, the fleshy part of the fruit is not derived from the plant's ovaries, but from the receptacle in which the ovaries are found. This means that strawberries are actually an accessory fruit rather than a true berry. Despite this botanical technicality, strawberries are one of the most popular fruits around the world. They are enjoyed fresh, in jams and preserves, in cakes and desserts, and in many other ways. And now you know that they are actually members of the rose family, not berries. Avocado is technically a fruit, even though it's commonly thought of as a vegetable due to its savory flavor and use in savory dishes like guacamole. Avocado is a type of berry that comes from the avocado tree, which is native to Mexico and Central America. The fruit has a green, leathery skin and a large seed at its center. The flesh of the fruit is soft, creamy, and high in healthy fats, making it a popular ingredient in many healthy dishes. In addition to its delicious taste and health benefits, avocado is also a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways. It can be mashed and spread on toast, blended into smoothies, used as a topping for salads and tacos, and even used in desserts like chocolate avocado mousse. Overall, avocado is a unique and delicious fruit that's packed with nutrients and flavor, making it a great addition to any diet in a variety of ways. Honey has been used as a natural sweetener for thousands of years, and it's one of the few foods that never spoils. The reason for this is that honey has a very low water content, which makes it difficult for bacteria and other microbes to grow and multiply. Additionally, honey has natural antibacterial properties, which also help to prevent spoilage and keep it fresh. In fact, archaeologists have discovered jars of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still edible after thousands of years. Of course, honey that's been stored improperly or contaminated can spoil like any other food. But when stored properly in a sealed container, honey can last indefinitely without spoiling. Aside from its long shelf life, honey also offers a range of health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, has antibacterial properties, and has been shown to help soothe coughs and sore throats. It's also a natural source of energy, making it a great alternative to processed sugars in many recipes. Overall, honey is a delicious and healthy sweetener that's truly one of a kind. The modern-day orange carrot that we know and love today was actually developed in the Netherlands during the 17th century. Prior to that, carrots came in a range of colors, including purple, white, and yellow. The orange carrot was created through selective breeding, as Dutch farmers sought to create a variety of carrot that would pay tribute to the House of Orange, which was the ruling family in the Netherlands at the time. By carefully selecting and breeding orange-colored carrots, they were able to create a new variety that became popular throughout Europe and eventually spread to other parts of the world. Despite the popularity of orange carrots, you can still find purple, white, and yellow carrots in some specialty stores and farmers markets. These heirloom varieties have a slightly different flavor and texture than orange carrots and are often used in gourmet cooking and for their ornamental value. So the next time you see a purple or white carrot, you'll know that it's not a different species but rather a throwback to the original colors of this versatile and delicious vegetable. Did you know that bananas are actually berries? Although we commonly think of bananas as fruit, they are actually classified as a berry because they grow from a single flower with multiple ovaries. This makes bananas technically a type of berry, similar to blueberries and raspberries. Another interesting fact about bananas is that they are one of the most popular fruits in the world. In fact, over 100 billion bananas are consumed each year worldwide, making them the fourth most popular agricultural product after wheat, corn, and rice. Bananas are loved for their sweet flavor, soft texture, and high nutrient content, which includes vitamins B6 and C, potassium, and dietary fiber. In addition to their popularity as a snack food, bananas are also used in a variety of recipes, including smoothies, banana bread, and even savory dishes like curries and stews. They're also a great source of energy for athletes and active people, making them a perfect pre-workout or post-workout snack. Overall, bananas are a versatile and delicious fruit that are enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Did you know that chili peppers can actually make you feel happier? This is because chili peppers contain a chemical compound called capsaicin, which triggers the release of endorphins in the brain. Endorphins are natural painkillers that also promote feelings of pleasure and well-being, which is why eating spicy foods can give you a natural high. Another interesting fact about chili peppers is that they're actually a type of fruit. They're a member of the nightshade family, which also includes tomatoes, eggplants, and potatoes. Like other fruits, chili peppers contain seeds and develop from the ovary of a flower. However, because chili peppers are often used in savory dishes, we don't always think of them as fruit. In addition to their mood-boosting properties, chili peppers also offer a range of health benefits. They're a rich source of vitamins A and C, as well as minerals like potassium and iron. They also contain antioxidants that can help protect against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. So next time you enjoy a spicy meal, remember that chili peppers are not only delicious, but they can also be good for you too. Did you know that some mushrooms can glow in the dark? This natural phenomenon is called bioluminescence, and it's caused by a chemical reaction within the mushroom's cells. There are several species of mushrooms that are known to be bioluminescent, including the jack-o'-lantern mushroom and the ghost fungus. These mushrooms emit a soft, greenish glow in the dark, which is thought to help attract insects that can then spread the mushroom spores. In addition to their fascinating ability to glow, mushrooms are also an important source of nutrients and medicinal compounds. They're a low-calorie food that's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they're also a good source of antioxidants. Mushrooms have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern research has confirmed many of their health benefits. For example, some species of mushrooms contain compounds called beta-glucans, which have been shown to boost the immune system and reduce inflammation in the body. Other compounds found in mushrooms have been linked to improved cognitive function, reduced risk of cancer, and even increased lifespan in some animal studies. Overall, mushrooms are a fascinating and valuable organism that have a wide range of uses and benefits. Whether you're interested in their bioluminescent properties or their nutritional and medicinal benefits, there's no denying that mushrooms are a fascinating subject to explore. Did you know that there's a type of coffee that's made from animal droppings? It's called Kopi Luwak, and it's considered one of the most expensive and rarest coffees in the world. Kopi Luwak is produced in Indonesia and other Southeast Asian countries, where the Asian palm civet, a type of small mammal, feeds on coffee cherries. The civet eats the outer part of the cherry, but the beans inside pass through its digestive system intact. The beans are then excreted and collected by farmers, who clean and roast them to create Kopi Luwak coffee. The process of producing Kopi Luwak is labor-intensive and time-consuming, which is why it's so expensive. Additionally, the demand for Kopi Luwak has led to unethical practices, such as capturing civets and keeping them in cramped, unsanitary conditions to produce more coffee. Despite its high price and controversial production methods, Kopi Luwak remains a popular and sought-after coffee for many coffee enthusiasts. It's known for its unique and complex flavor profile, which includes notes of caramel, chocolate, and even a hint of earthiness. If you're ever in Indonesia or another Southeast Asian country, you might want to try Kopi Luwak for yourself. However, be sure to research the source and production methods to ensure that you're not contributing to unethical practices. Thanks for watching our video about interesting facts about foods. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating and fun videos about the world of food. And speaking of food, do you have any interesting food facts or stories of your own? We'd love to hear them in the comments below. Plus, if you have any suggestions for future video topics, we'd be happy to hear those too. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and share this video with your fellow foodie friends. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.